Alright, what's up YouTube? We are back at it again with another video for you guys today. So, my patience is about as low as the weather is today. So as you can see, very snowy, very crappy. With the wind chill, it is currently -3 degrees. But I have a couple things I want to get done on the truck. So I'm going to be showing you today. What I got here is I have, if it'll focus, the sun's too bright there. So I have white vinyl overlays that are actually, if you can see it, they're a white carbon fiber. The reason I went with the carbon fiber is because I talked to my vinyl guy, and he said that the carbon fiber, he sent me pictures, it actually matches the bright white of the Ram better than his white vinyl that he has. So these are actually going to go right over my black. So it's going to be a white face with a black outline trim. And then he custom made me the Hemi 5.7 liter to go in there as well. So I want to be showing you guys today how even in negative temperatures, how you can still apply vinyl. So what you're going to need is something to clean the surface with if well, mine's really dirty, so it just needs to be cleaned in general. But you're going to want a degreaser and then alcohol, of course, if you have ever put any wax or any spray sealant or any type of thing like that on your vehicle. You want to get it a clean slate. Q-tips, microfiber towel. I'm using Q-tips, so obviously, if you can see here, it's indented in the 5.7 liter, so I'm going to be getting in there to clean out all the crevices. Clean the surface real nice, and then you will just need a heat gun. Alright, so now that we have it all clean, I told him honestly that I wasn't too concerned with this. Some of these are really difficult, like we're talking like 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter type of sizing in here, like inside the E and stuff. All I was really focused on was this. I told him that I could just debadge the Hemi 15, or debadge this if I don't like it, or if I don't like the white in general, I'll just peel off the white and just leave it black. So I got the surface nice and clean. Don't worry about the edges. This is just a vinyl overlay over the front. So then all you need to do now is come in with your heat gun and just heat up. I'm just going to be doing, I'll show you this real quick. So one thing that he did is see where it bends. So each individual letter I can peel off. So I'm going to be going about it one letter at a time. So I'm going to get the R nice and warm. Stick on the vinyl. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I got the R. Give this one more good heat. And there you go. That looks really cool. So now it's a hair smaller than the other one, obviously. It does match the white pretty well. And I mean, it's on there, not peeling off in anywhere. So we'll go ahead, I'm going to stick the rest of the Ram 1500 on, and we'll show you guys the finished product. Check that out, guys. How sick is that? So the white is a little different. My truck is obviously kind of like a matte right now because it's covered in salt, and so obviously the bright white is a lot whiter than this when it's clean. So I think that's going to actually match really nicely. Either way, I think it's sick. It's definitely something different that you don't see a lot of people doing. So I like that a lot. Next, I'm going to try the Hemi. I know the Hemi will work because it's the same thing as the Ram 1500, just smaller. But the indent of the 5.7 liter is going to be really tough, especially the point. If my camera will even focus, how tiny the dot is. Obviously smaller than my fingernail. So I wouldn't say that I'm expecting it not to work, because I obviously hope it does. But if it doesn't work, I won't be disappointed at the same time. So let's give her a go. Alright guys, so I'll finish with the Hemi and then I will update you on what happens with the 5.7 liter. So the Hemi is on. Actually looking at it the way it is, I kind of just, I like the bar underneath. I don't know, maybe it's just me. And then you kind of be up against it to see that it says 5.7. Still going to obviously attempt to get it on. But if it doesn't work, I may just rock the Hemi like that and leave the rest of it. So, here goes nothing. This thing here is having like doctor hands. Because it is indented. It doesn't, the lineup is off a little bit. Which, that is, you know, when a machine is trying to make cuts this small, you're only, you know, basically take what you can get here. Yeah, and that's my fault too, because I gave him the measurements. Get you guys in here so you can see. I used the caliper and I sent him the measurements. So you could say, you could blame machine, you could blame me, but it doesn't want to line up perfectly. It's falling a little short, so it's not getting in the hole. Dang, I really like that too. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work, guys. Dang, I really like that too. It is off just a little. As far as it needs to, the 5 just needs to be a hair bigger. Cause it's sitting in the top. Yeah, that's not gonna. So if I can get you guys in here well enough for my camera to focus. So what's happening is I can get it to sit up here, but then see how it's hitting right there. It just, the 5, it needed to be just a little bigger. It's hitting the curves of the 5. So that sucks. It wasn't expensive, so I might hit him up and ask if he can make it a little bit bigger. But as for right now, the 5.7 is gonna have to stay black. But other than that, guys, comment down below what you think. I also have a decal to put in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, just with glass. So you just heat up the glass and stick it on. But honestly, I'm loving it, guys. So yeah, drop a comment down below. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And until next time, peace.